Hello my friends, it is cool outside today, and the green peppers and the tomatoes in the vegetable garden are ripe, so I would like to have a quick cooking in the yard. There are many small animals visiting this vegetable garden. Some jumped in from sky, some broke the net, and some dig holes from the ground. So I am always very busy in spring, as I have to maintain the fence and be sure it is firm enough. Okay, let's start preparing. Add a spoon of starch to minced meat. It helps to keep juicy taste of the meat and the vegetable. Sprinkle with a layer of flour so that the green pepper and the meat will stick together. The green peppers picked 20 minutes before are really fresh. It is so delicious when cooked with onion, meat, and eggs. Combination of the food materials always make me happy and satisfied.